Flash steam power plants. Flash steam power plants are more common and require low temperatures than dry steam geothermal power plants. These geothermal power plants operate at temperatures around 180 degrees Celsius. They utilize water from underground sources and convert it into steam through flash tanks to spin turbines for electricity production. Flash steam geothermal power plants begin by pumping high-pressure hot water from underground reservoirs to the surface through production wells. Upon reaching the surface, the water enters a flash tank, where its boiling point is reduced, converting it into steam. This steam is then used to spin turbines connected to generators, generating electricity. Excess water from this process is then injected back deep into the earth, ensuring continuous electricity generation and efficient utilization of geothermal resources.